Facing a new roof? You have two choices, a roof overlay or a full tear-off. Making the right choice now can save you thousands later. An overlay means installing new shingles directly over the old ones without removing the original materials. A full tear-off strips everything down to the wood deck before starting fresh with a new roofing system. New York code caps residential roofs at 2 layers. If you already have 2, a tear-off is your only legal option. Long Island's coastal climate and high winds make your choice of roofing method even more critical. Overlays are cheaper and faster up front, as they avoid the labor and disposal fees for old materials. But they hide what's underneath. You can't inspect the deck for rot, mold, or structural damage. Weight is also a concern. Each new layer adds thousands of pounds of stress to your home's framing. Tear-offs can last up to 30 years, while overlays typically only last 10 to 16. Also, many manufacturers reduce or void warranties for shingles installed over existing layers. A full tear-off adds resale value, while double-layer roofs can be a liability during a home sale. An overlay might work if your roof is young and leak-free, but it's rarely the best long-term solution. In the long run, the safety and peace of mind of a fresh start outweighs initial quick-fix savings. Take the time to choose the method that protects your home and your investment for decades to come.